Hi everyone, this is the sheet load of cards for January 2020. Nothing like the last day of the month, right? But hey, I got them done. I've been wanting to do them for the last few days and just had to get other stuff done first. So this is Call Me Crafty Owl. Every month she does a sheet load of cards. For January now, but I think she's going to be changing things up a little bit, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. Anyway, for January, this is the card design, and what she does is she tells you how many pattern papers or solid cardstock you'll need and labels the different ones on the card. Here she used paper and used a decorative edge die or something, but she said you could change that and use ribbon or washi or whatever. And then she gives you how to cut the different papers. So I did not cut this one. This is the one for the decorative edge. I ended up using ribbon instead, but I did cut this for my sentiment, this for behind the sentiment. And the only thing I did, well, I did two things different. I did use 2 pieces of designer paper, but the only thing I did different is I also cut a mat and a piece for the inside, which required 3 more pieces of CS2, but to cut differently to give me mats inside and 3 more pieces, I believe it was, or maybe 4 pieces of CS3 for the inside. And then like I said, I didn't use this. I used ribbon, and I think that's the only real oh no, the other thing is I actually matted these 2 papers onto another paper, so these end up being 5 1/4 by 4 when you put them together. So I cut backing pieces to 5 3/8 by 4 1/8, and I did use I used all Stampin' Up supplies, so this is going to be a Stampin' Up video, and I will eventually put all the measurement, well, not the measurements because they're in Call Me Crafty Owl's sheet load of cards sketch and supply list, which is on her January intro to the sheet load of cards for that month. But it would be good if you are a subscriber. That's what she requests, to download the PDF document, and I always print them out and I keep them in a file. So yeah, those are my only other changes. I used a mat behind these 2 sheets, and I did that because I wrapped the ribbon around the back of that whole mat then, and then I glued it onto my card. So I used, well, let me just show you the cards. They're all pretty much the same, except that, you know, these, you know, you change the direction, and then these, all the sentiments came out of, band together. Now, these are from the, I think they're called Noble Peacock. Yes, Noble Peacock. Let me make sure I'm saying it right. Noble Peacock Specialty Designer Series paper and Noble Peacock foil sheets. But I didn't feel like using the Peacock. I loved the patterns and the foil, and I hadn't used them for a long time. And I wanted to make birthday cards. So some of them I said, celebrate the best day ever, and some I said, you are amazing. But all of them on the inside have wishing you a happy birthday. And I was thinking with these that are mostly the foil on top, of turning them this way, but then I glued them down with the piece over here, and I didn't like that. If I had put it over here, it would have been okay. So I did them all the vertical direction. And I thought about stamping an image behind the words here, and I just decided to keep it simple. Now here are the ribbons. I used the, and the mats are Blueberry Bushel. The ink is Blueberry Bushel, which is in the 2018 to 20 in colors, which will be going out the door at the end of May, early June, when the new annual catalog comes away. And I really like the Blueberry Bushel color. There's two colors in that bunch I love, the Blueberry Bushel and the Lovely Lipstick. So this is Blueberry Bushel, as is this. And then these are Blueberry Bushel. They're out of the Noble Peacock rhinestones. I had one on this sheet and I used all but 5 here, but I put 3 on this set and then only 1 on these because I wouldn't have had enough. And I could fix that by using my basic rhinestones and coloring them, but anyway, so the ribbon is this metallic edge ribbon in Whisper White with silver. And then what I did is I had this grosgrain ribbon, 1/8 inch, and I just put it through the middle. So it has the white, but also the Blueberry Bushel again. That's in Blueberry Bushel. So yeah, I have those. And that's pretty much it. I didn't do anything super fancy. I didn't, I mean, this is Blueberry Bushel. See here, I matted these on Blueberry Bushel. Sorry for any glare. The foil, this foil gets smudged really easily, and I have to get a soft, like a microfiber cloth, I think, and try and wipe them clean. I've been trying with paper towels, and it's just not happening. And it's not glue, it's finger smudge or something. I don't know. So I have 3 in this pattern that say celebrate the best day ever, 3 in this pattern, you are amazing, 3 in the reverse saying celebrate the best day ever. That's the one I felt like I needed something else up here, but I'm not gonna mess with it. Keeping them simple this time, and 3 of this kind, and you are amazing. So those are my 12 cards for Call Me Crafty Owl's sheet load of cards for the month of January. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you again next time. And before then, I will see you again on Saturday, February 1st. I believe I have 2 videos going up, one in the morning and one in the afternoon, mid-afternoon, Eastern time. So I hope you come back and watch, and forgive my nails. Thanks. Talk to you later. Hugs, love, and peace.